Good morning, friends. My name is Miss Mann, and I'm teaching first grade at our school, the Heights Community School, this year. Today's date is Thursday, April 22nd, 2021. And for lunch, our in person learners will be having a choice between a grilled cheese sandwich and a soy butter sandwich. For our virtual learners, please remember to take a break to have a good, healthy lunch and to drink a big glass of water. Some special announcements for this week. Next week is Spirit Week. Each day, you are invited and encouraged to dress up according to that day's theme. You can ask your teacher for more information about that. Monday is Wear Your Favorite Color Day. I can't wait to see all the different colors that people wear next Monday for our Spirit Week. This week, we've been practicing or reviewing some of the calm down techniques that we've learned, or the tools of the week that we've learned so far this year. Today, I want us to practice one of my favorite ones, the seated twist. So you're sitting in a chair with your back straight, and you just slowly twist to both sides while you breathe in and out. Good job reviewing all of those tools for your toolbox. You have a lot of tools that you've learned this year to help you get back to the green zone where you're calm and ready to learn and ready to do your best at school. Remember to always be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. That means that when we're at school and around other people, we're wearing a face mask over our mouth and over our nose. All right, time for our call and response. So I'm going to say, have a great day. And then I want you to say, you too, Miss Mann. All right, ready? Have a great day. All right, love you. Bye.